The brand new Mercedes-Benz Group car, which is EQS series, have come with M-Box Hyperscreen, which different from the other sedan dashboard, launched in 2021.
Next is main menu. In main menu, we put home, application and another button for the easy access.
So everything begins in 2016, where there are two engineers of Mercedes-Benz getting a task to make a dashboard for the new brand car. So this M-Box Hyperscreen was created, and the launch of the M-Box Hyperscreen was on the year of 2021. This M-Box has a unique function and display, and it also includes with the artificial intelligence in the M-Box Hyperscreen dashboard.
Next is specifications. M-Box Hyperscreen has three separate screens with 56 inches, surfaced with two coatings of scratch and reflection-resistant aluminium silicate glass. Next, it has OLED technology, including 17.7 inches of central display and 12.3 inches of passenger display. Last, M-Box Hyperscreen has 8 CPU cores, 34GB RAM and 46.4 GB memory.
So next, for the features of the M-Box Hyperscreen is first, emotional intelligence. Visually impressive, radically easy to operate and extremely eager to learn. The M-Box Hyperscreen also is one of the highlights in the EQS. It does represent the emotional to the car. So second point for the features is design or analog of the design fusion of the M-Box Hyperscreen. So M-Box, Mercedes-Benz user experience has radically simplified the operation of a Mercedes-Benz for the user interface for the car. So the last point of the features for the M-Box Hyperscreen is integrated ambient lighting. The M-Box Hyperscreen is surrounded by a continuous plastic front frame. Its visible part is painted and in an elaborate 3 layers process in a silver shadow.
Next is application. In application, we have three main area of hyperscreen. First is driver display, which can show driver information, speed, mode and range. Second is central display, which can control all the vehicle feature like music and 360 parking. Lastly is passenger display, which can function same as central display, like can change the music from passenger display.
For the developer, it all started in 2016 in Germany, which is the original idea of Mercedes-Benz Group engineer, which is Robert Herenthaler and Matthias Pohl.
Okay, for the advantages of M-Box Hyperscreen. Firstly, it personalized suggestion. Why I say personalized suggestion? Its infotainment system offers numerous and comprehensive functions, and also several operating steps are often required to the car and also to the user. So that is intuitive and also easy to operate. Thank you to M-Box Hyperscreen and thank you to Mercedes because it has a clear design to anchor point. It also, for the example, it displays type EV mode and important function for electric drive. So for the last one of advantages of M-Box Hyperscreen, so comfortable for user, especially for the Mercedes user. And then it is because it does not interfere with the passenger or driver space and also make it easier in terms of setting in the car, such as adjust the seat, adjust the aircon. Thank you.
So to find the disadvantages of the M-Box Hyperscreen was not easy. Means that the Hyperscreen come with the good function, but here is one of the perception from the users itself, where they find that it is not convinced as the best thing to be used.
Last but not least, thanks to all group members who have made this project a success. That's all from us. Thank you.
In addition, there are some very In addition, there are some very useful smart navigation In addition, there are some